early morning. Amazing. Hello, Macaulay. Very good morning. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So it's going to be an exciting ride with 18 people. I am personally thrilled because this particular route what we are going to take is something where I have not explored. So in this particular video I can take you to this particular beautiful destination. But I'm already seeing one concern now with my riding boot. Wow. Early morning. Beautiful. This is the golden time, See the mist and the fog, like it's absolutely amazing. I'm very much concerned, the place where we are going to go, I don't know how it will feel. The LED lights do not justify it. Absolutely bad. So fog lamps are important.
Never overtake on the particular lane. We will not maintain on the right lane. Normally we will maintain on the mid lane. Okay guys, gear up. The best guys.
All 18 bikes.
Well, the group ride has started. 18 like-minded riders have joined and we are heading towards today's destination. The distance is going to be almost like 600 plus kilometers, and never expected a misty morning, beautiful breeze around, and on our intercoms communication we've been talking about fun. We stopped in for our breakfast in Hotel Nellai Grand, which is a vegetarian hotel. Restroom, facility, parking, and food was very good. People want to try this place. Yes, try it out. The thrill of the ride should never compromise safety. Get up, ride responsible, and make it as a habit. No matter how experienced you are, there is always something new to learn. Sharpen your riding skills. Stay updated on the road safety. The more you know, the safer and more enjoyable your ride will be.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant.
So time is 10:45 and so far we have done close about 358 kilometers. Nice place, nice food. It is called Crossroads Family Restaurant. So time is 2:41. Another 151 kilometers to go.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world.
நல்லா தான் இருக்குது. கொல்கட்டாலாம் போட்டிருக்குது. ஆனால் டீ கடை தான் இல்லை.
Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
First time the whole day I was enjoying a lot with my new Scrambler 400x. What a mission it has been designed for, to handle Indian conditions. The potholes were looking Nothing in front of this bike. Guys, this bridge itself is a highlight point, Godavari River, and the bridge length is almost, the width is like 4 kilometers. The sunset point here, the views is amazing. You guys can take a beautiful photograph of it. But after you cross this particular bridge, you need to be very careful about the roads. The roads are pretty bad. But it's a very small leg, but I would request you guys to maintain your pace in that particular area.
We have covered 656 kilometers. Another 20 kilometers is where we are going to stay for the day. The place where we are staying is Rajahmundry, and tomorrow morning we'll be heading to the Lambasingi. It was showing 70 range, and after that suddenly it disappeared. Definitely they have to calibrate it, and this was something they have to do, the quality check. Kerala.
Idea was to basically develop a community where like-minded people are given the right kind of platform.
To know a little more, how is this done? Through an NGO or something?
There for quite a long time.
Hello guys, very good morning. Day 2. நம்ம இப்போ ராஜ்மந்திரி இருக்கோம். So இங்கேருந்து 120 maybe 3.5 to 4 hours is the travel to Lambasingi. So everybody are ready, geared up, breakfast இங்கே குயிக்காக முடிச்சிடுறோம். So we can save some time. People coming, this is a nice property on the highway லே இருக்கு. You guys can see that's a highway. ரெண்டு மூணு ஹோட்டல் ஆப்ஷன்ஸும் பெட்டராக இருக்குது. So people don't want to stay fully to Lambasingi. Maybe இங்கே ஒரு ஸ்டாப் போட்டுட்டு போகலாம். Depends upon what time you start. So nice property. So all ready, good to go. This is where individual become family. So நம்ம பைக்கும் இங்கே ரெடியாக இருக்குது, வார்ம் அப் ஆகிட்டுருக்கு. So let's go Lambasingi. We'll wait.